So in 10.7, as the title indicates, we're going to put two things together, two ideas, distributive property and combining like terms. So let's remind ourselves about distributive property. Right? Negative 2 times 3x, negative 6x, negative 2 times negative 5, positive 10, so that's negative 6x plus 10. Negative 3x times negative 2 times 3x, negative 6x, negative 2 times negative 5, positive 10, right? You don't multiply that. And then you have to add those together. And that's what we're going to do today. If you have like terms, you must combine them. You can't leave them. So, right, in number one, those are x terms and numbers. You can't add them together. But in number two, you have things you could actually add together, and you are required to do so by the rules. Positive 10 plus 8 is plus 18. You would leave that as negative 6x plus 18. All right, so same thing here. This is negative 6x plus 18. So what's going to happen today is you're going to do your distributive property. So you 2 times 3x, 6x, 2 times 7y, 14y, 2 times 8 is 16. You're going to have more than one many of the times. 4 times 5x, 20x, 4 times 1 is 4. Any like terms have to be combined. 6x plus 20x, 26x. 14y, there is no like term, you just put in the answer. 16 plus 4 is 20, and that is the answer. So you're going to do your distributive property first, and if you have like terms, you are required to combine them. That's not my rule, that's a rule. Okay, so 7 times 8x is 56x, 7 times y is 7y, and then we have a plus 4x, so we must combine that with the 56x, and the answer is 60x plus 7y. 3 times 2g is 6g. 3 times 4 is 12. We don't multiply the minus 5, but we have negative 12 minus 5, which is negative 12 plus negative 5, negative 17. So this answer is 6g minus 17. Here you have negative 4 times ab, negative 4ab, negative 4 times 9, negative 36, which becomes minus 36, plus 3ab. Well, you have a negative 4ab and a 3ab. Negative 4ab plus 3ab is negative 1ab, but we're not going to write the negative 1. You just write negative ab minus 36. Okay, so we have some hints up there. Let's see what's going on here. 7 times xy, that's the letter x, 7xy. 7 times negative 4, negative 28, minus 5xy. All right, so the 7xy, you subtract the 5xy because of that minus, and you get positive 2xy minus 28 is the answer. Negative 2b, negative 2 times b, negative 2 times 6, negative 12 minus 12. So you have negative 2b plus 10b, which is 8b. You still have a minus 12, 8b minus 12. All right, so now you have it twice. This looks harder than it is. Now 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10, so that's minus 10. Here you put the plus with the 3, right? That's the rule. So you're going to distribute a positive 3, and you get positive 3x minus 3. 3 times negative 1. 5x plus 3x, 8x. Negative 10 minus 3, same as negative 10 plus negative 3. Negative 13, that is the answer. All right, so now, one of the trickiest things with this is remembering when you have this situation, that negative goes, that minus becomes a negative with the 4. It goes with the 4. And so anytime you have that, you're distributing a negative number. So this is 7x, negative 4 times x, negative 4x, negative 4 times positive 2, negative 8. You have like terms, 7x minus 4x, you must combine them, 3x minus 8. Once again, you got to do it twice, and this time you're multiplying by negative 2. So this is 5x plus 20. Negative 2 times x minus 2x, negative 2 times 7 is negative 14. When I do the test right there, if there's a mistake, it's going to be right there. People forget to multiply that by the negative 2. All right, so now we have like terms. 5x minus 2x is 3x. 20 minus 14 is, what, 7? No, 6. So the answer to this is 3x plus 6. So this is just 1 times that. So that's, so 1x is x, 1 times 7 is 7. If you see that, that's people just trying to confuse you. Just get rid of the parentheses because you're multiplying by positive 1. But this one is multiplied by negative 3. So negative 3x, negative 3 times negative 2, positive 6. Be careful. X minus 3x, that's 1x minus 3x. That's negative 2x. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. 7 plus, positive 7 plus 6, 13. It is negative 2x plus 13. We often have to multiply by negative 1. Remember I said when we had this situation, you're always going to be putting a negative 1 in there. I write it in so I don't forget. So 7x, negative 1 times x, negative x. Negative 1 times negative 5, positive 5. You have to multiply both parts by negative 1. 7x minus x is 6x. 6x plus 5 is the answer. Same thing here. So 5 times y, 5y. 5 times 2, 10. This group gets multiplied by negative 1. So negative y, and in the middle of a problem, you can write negative 1y. That's fine. I often do. And negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. 5y minus 1y, 4y. 10 minus 3, positive 7, right? So that becomes plus 7. Once again, that's just being multiplied by positive 1. So 2x plus 3y, but this one's getting multiplied by negative 1. So it's negative 6x minus 2y. 2x minus 6x. 2x minus 6x, same as 2x plus negative 6x, negative 4x. 3y, that's positive 3y minus 2y, which is 1y. We're never going to write 1y in an answer, so it's negative 4x plus y. Let's practice. So this is 3x plus 15. That's a positive 1, so that doesn't really do anything. Plus x plus 6. 3x plus x is 4x. 15 plus 6 is 21. Negative 6 times x is negative 6x. Negative 6 times 3y, negative 18y. Don't multiply the 2y. It's not in any parentheses. Negative 6x minus 18y plus 2y. So there's the like terms. Negative 18y plus 2y is negative 16y, and that becomes minus 16y. We distribute a 9 here and a negative 4 here. 9 times x, 9 times 3. Negative 4 times 2x, negative 8x, negative 4 times 1, negative 4. 9x minus 8x, x. It is 1x, but we're going to write x for our answer. 27 minus 4, positive 23. This is much simpler. Just simplifies to x plus 23. Yeah, let me stop there. Right? So what's going on here is you're making things simpler. This is a dramatic case, right? So you could do all, I tell you x is a million, and you could do all that work, or you could realize that the answer is a million plus 23, also known as a million 23. That's one of the reasons you want to make things simpler. This is called simplifying an expression. 7 times 2x is 14x. 7 times 5 is 35. Distributing a negative 1 here. Negative 1x, I'm going to put the negative 1. Negative 1 times 2, negative 2. 14x minus 1x is 13x. 35 minus 2 is 33, so it's 13x plus 33. So this is x plus 1, because you're distributing a positive 1. Here you're distributing a negative 1, so you get negative x minus 2. Ooh, what is x minus x? What's a million minus a million? What's 10 minus 10? What's 50 minus 50? 0. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. So this is 0 minus negative 1. What is that? It's negative 1. So you make x a million, you make x 0.3, you make x 1/5. That expression is always going to simplify to negative 1. Right, good luck with the homework.